This is a topping out for our new Heart and Vascular Center. In this building, we brought together our cardiac cath labs and our interventional radiology suites because that is state-of-the-art care for cardiac patients into one location. It allows us to be able to expand those services and make them more accessible to patients.
Atrium Health is a part of a lot of growing communities, and certainly the Cabarrus region is growing. We want to make sure that we have the world-class experts at the fingertips of these individuals.
This area now becomes a hub. We'll be able to concentrate care here and then radiate out into the communities. Part of that is person to person and offices and buildings. A large extent of that is virtual. And the technologies and the infrastructure we're able to put into place here will allow us to connect with more patients at a greater geographic range.
This building really puts us at the forefront, and it gives us the greatest availability, the greatest opportunity to provide world-class cardiovascular care to our community, to our residents.
Over the past 81 years, the community and the hospital has been committed to providing state-of-the-art care and compassion to our patients of Cabarrus County and the surrounding areas. So the time capsule is just a memento of our history, and we came up with the idea so that maybe in 20 years during the centennial celebration we can dig it up and we'll look at all the neat things that was happening in 2018 and earlier.
You know, technology changes very rapidly. From a cardiology standpoint, we put in some models of stents and coronary scaffolds and things that they're going to look back on in 20 years and say, what were these for? And I think we're on the shoulders of giants, and learning from history is very important. So I think putting a lot of these things in a capsule will be very interesting to open up 20 years from now.
It's just a great day. It's a great day for Atrium Health, for Northeast, for the patients, the community, and the staff that we serve. And I just couldn't be more proud to work here for the investment that Atrium Health is making in our campus and to our community. It's just absolutely fabulous.
Not only is it going to be a benefit for the patients, but it's going to be a benefit for our staff to be exposed to such technology. I think it's a win-win for everybody. I think we're very fortunate, myself, for working for Sanger Heart and Vascular, but also to live in this community with such support from not only the hospital, but our neighbors and our community members.
Things that at one point we could only do in operating rooms, we're now going to be able to do right here. So there's a lot of excitement about what we're seeing here today in terms of topping off this building and knowing that we'll be taking care of patients in it next year.